Alright, today we're going to do a video of a UG YV-500EL vertical turning center. It was new in 2018. It has a FANUC OITF control, 18-inch 3-jaw chuck. Machine's equipped with a chip conveyor. There's a 10-tool turret. I'm going to jog it around first. That's your x-axis, nice and quiet. That's your Z, also nice and quiet. Index to turret. You have a 2-speed transmission on the spindle. Right now you're in a high range. It's about 100 RPM. It's about 350. That's 700. And that's 1,000. We're going to shift into the low range. It's about 35 in the low. That's 200 in the low. And that's about 350. Nice and quiet. This machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.